Welcome to the video. Here we have question number 7 of exercise 3b. It says the circumference of a circle is 136 meters. Find number 1 radius of the circle. So before solving, let's first understand what circumference means. So let's take an example. If I have this circle here, for example, so the distance of the outer edge of the circle, you can see the distance, this distance is called circumference. The length, that how long this outer length of the circle is called circumference. Okay, so if I start here, for example, if a person is running here, for example, if there's a person who's running here and he starts here and goes all the way back here, so this whole distance that he covered will be the circumference of this circle. So now it's clear, circumference of the circle is 136 meter. Find radius. Okay, radius, what is radius? From the center point, for example, if this is the center point of the circle, radius is from the center to the outer edge of the circle with a straight line. Okay, so if I make a straight line towards the outer edge of the circle, this is my radius, well, with a small r. Okay, and you people might be, don't be confused between diameter and radius. Diameter is from one edge all the way to the other edge passing through the center. So this whole distance from this end all the way to this end, this is called diameter, whereas radius is from center till end point. So radius is smaller, diameter is always bigger. Radius is half of diameter, as you can see it is the half of diameter. So these are the basic things that you need to understand before solving the circular geometry. Okay, so for here we have the radius of the circle we have to find. So and the circumference is given to us. So for circumference there is a formula, circumference C. There is a formula for circumference called 2 pi r. 2 is our 2 and r is the radius here. This pi, however, don't be confused by this. This is a variable. It has a predefined value, 3.1415, and you can find it in your scientific calculator as well. When you're solving this, you just have to go for shift and exponent. You can see here, this is how pi looks like in your calculator. Again, shift and this exponent, this key. As you can see, there is a pi drawn over here. This is the pi. So shift and this key will give you the pi, and if you equals to the answer, you can see here 3.1415. so this is it's a value that we use when solving circular geometry. So here we have the circumference equals to 2 pi r, and circumference is given, so I will replace C with the circumference given to me, 136, and 2 pi r as it is. As you can see, radius of the circle is we have to find, so I have to find this r, which is my radius. This r is my radius here, okay, in the formula. So I have to find r. I don't want this 2 pi here, this should be on the other side, so all three of them are multiplying. If I send them, they will divide, so 136 will be divided by 2 pi, and radius is alone here. So radius equals to 136 upon 2 pi. So 136 divided by 2, and again shift exponent, it will give me the answer 21.645. or if we only consider three significant figures, so it will be 21.6 centimeter or meter. It should be in meter because our question was given to us in meters. Okay, so this will be in meters. I found the radius. Okay, so for part 2 I have we have to find the area here. Now again we will use the formula to solve this. Area of a circle equals to pi, again pi, r square. As you know, area is two-dimensional. We always have centimeter square, meter square when we discuss areas. So to memorize this formula, the good thing is, the easiest way is pi r square. Whereas in circumference, you can see it's simply 2 pi r. There is no square here because also the unit doesn't have any square. But in area there is always a square, so you can memorize that area has a square, so this r will also have a square. So in order to find the area, it's very easy. Pi, the value of pi we all know, and the radius we have found above. So 21.6 is my radius here, which I found. Simply take the square of it. I will get my answer multiplied by pi. 1471.8 area, and it will be in meter square because this was in meter, and area will be in meter square. So exercise 3b is completed. If you have any question, any confusion, you can ask me. Inshallah, we will continue in the next video, exercise 3c. Till then, take care, and Allah Hafiz.